Hello everyone, in today's lecture we are going to see some numericals on crop water requirement and reservoir planning. First, calculate the delta for Kharif crop, that is Jawar, having duty as 2500 hectare per cubic. Solution. Now we have to use the equation, that is delta is equals to 8.64 B by D. Previously we saw the relationship between delta and duty. That relation only we have to use here, and also we saw the base period for all the crops, and the base period for Kharif is given as 123 days. Now just we have to put the values in the equation, that is 8.64 into 123 divided by 2500, that we get 0.4251 or 42.5 after the conversion. Next problem, a main canal irrigates the following crops. Calculate the duty of each crop at the head of main canal. Now here the name of the crop, delta and transit losses are given. First is Jawar, that is the Kharif crop. Delta for this crop is 45 cm and transit losses given are 20%. Next is wheat, Rabi. Here delta is given 30 cm and transit losses are given 40%. Next, sugarcane. The delta for sugarcane is 180 cm and transit losses are 40%. Vegetable 50 cm delta and transit losses are 40%. Groundnut is hot weather crop, and for this the delta is given 30 cm and transit losses are given 40%. Now first we have to assume the suitable data in this numerical. Now solution. Assume base period. For Jawar Kharif crop it should be 123 days. For wheat, that is Rabi crop, it is 120 days. Again sugar cane is perennial crop, that is the annual crop. For that base period is given 360 days. Next, vegetables is for hot weather and it is given 120 days. Next is groundnut. For groundnut it is given 120 days. The irrigation has been done in the field away from the head of main canal. 1 cubic of water released from the head of main will be actually 0.8 cubic or even less due to losses. Hence duty of water at the end of canal will be worked out considering the losses. Now we will use the relation, that is 8.64 into B, that is the base period in days, divided by delta, which is calculated in meters. Now duty for Jawar in the field is calculated by substituting the value of the base period in the equation and also the delta which is given in the previous table. So we get 2361.6 hectare per cubic. Hence duty at the head of main canal considering the losses 20%. Duty is equal to 2361.6 into 80 by 100. So we have 20% of losses. So we multiply the calculated duty by 80% and we get the answer 1889.28 hectare per cubic. Similarly, duty for wheat is calculated and the values are substituted. 8.64 into 120 divided by 0.30 into 0.60 is equal to 2073.6 hectare per cubic. So why we take here 0.60? Because in the table we can see that for wheat the transit losses are 40%. So losses are 40%. So 100 minus 40% is 60%. So 60 by 100 is 0.60, and because of that we multiply the duty by 0.60 and we get the answer 2073.6 hectare per cubic. Next is duty for sugarcane. and similarly we calculate the duty for vegetable and also for the groundnut. In next step, in next question, we will see how to calculate the discharge required of the head of the distributor from the following. Now, culturable irrigation area is given, that is 80% of the gross area. Intensity of irrigation is equals to 50% of Rabi, and average duty at the head of distributor is 900 hectare per cubic for Kharif. Now, we will see the solution. First, we have to assume that gross cultivable area is 80,000 hectares. After that, total irrigable area, we know the relationship between the total irrigable area and gross culturable area, and the relation between them we know that we have to multiply it by 0.80 factor, and here 80 by 100 into 80,000 we get 64000 hectare, that is 64,000 hectare. Now, total area under Kharif is given 25 by 100 into 64000, that we get 16000 hectare, that is 16,000 hectare. And here culturable irrigation area in question it is given that it is 80% of the gross area. Similarly, it will be given in the question about the total area under Kharif, that is 25%, and similarly area under Rabi is also given 50%, and we get the total area under Rabi is 32,000 hectares. Now, total discharge required in Kharif is calculated by, so formula for discharge is given by total area divided by the duty, and duty it is already given in the average duty at the head of the distributor, it is given 900 hectare per cubic for Kharif, and so we divided 16,000 divided by 900 and we get the answer 17.77 cubic, and discharge for Rabi is similarly calculated by dividing the total area under Rabi is divided by the average duty and we get 16 cubic. So, design discharge will be the maximum value, we have to take the maximum value of all, and the design discharge is 17.77 cubic. Next problem, a main canal taking off from a storage reservoir irrigates the following crops as shown below. Now, first the name of the crops are given, and next the crop period in days are given. Next, area to be irrigated in hectare is given. Duty at the head of the main canal in hectare per cubic is given in the following table. So, the crop mentioned are sugarcane, overlap of sugarcane, which is the hot weather, jawar Rabi, bajra monsoon, and vegetable is hot weather. Crop period in days are given for all these crops, and area to be irrigated in hectare is given, and duty of these crops are also given. Next, how to calculate the discharge. Now, discharge is calculated by dividing the area by duty. Now, for sugarcane we get 0.553, and how we get that? We are dividing the area, that is 360 hectare is divided by 650 hectare per cubic, and by this we get 0.553. Similarly, overlap of sugarcane is also calculated, jawar Rabi is also calculated, and bajra monsoon is also calculated. Vegetable we get 0.514. Now, discharge required for hot weather. Now, we have to calculate the discharge which is required for the hot weather. Now, from this list we can see that sugarcane is the hot weather crop. Actually, sugarcane is the annual crop. So, sugarcane we have to add while calculating the discharge required for hot weather. And next, for overlap of sugarcane is also considered in hot weather, and next is vegetable is considered in hot weather. So by addition of these three we get 1.19 cubic. Now discharge required for Rabi. Again we have to consider the sugarcane in this because it is an annual crop. So 0.553 plus 2.852. We have to add these two terms. So of jawar and sugarcane, then we get the answer 3.405 cubic. What we are calculating here? We are calculating the discharge required for a particular season, or we can say crop. Discharge required for hot weather, again it is calculated 0.553 plus 2.269 is equals to 2.822 cubic. Now this 0.553 is taken for sugarcane and 2.269 is taken for bajra. Sorry, here it should be discharge required for the monsoon season. Next is hence Qmax. So 3.405 Qmax is taken, which is the maximum value of all the value of discharge. Then design discharge is calculated by Qmax divided by transient losses into time factor, and we have taken 3.405 as the maximum discharge, and it is divided by the transient losses. It is given 100 minus 15, it is divided by 100 into 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is the time factor which is already given in the question. And how we have taken this transient losses? So it is given in the question actually about the transient losses. And design discharge, it is calculated by 3.405 divided by 0.85 multiplied by 0.6, that we get 6.68 cubic. Thank you.